Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Store in Avira. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the store in Avira. So, where to find the store in Avira? So, the first thing you need to do, just type in myavira.com. So, I'm going to close this and then open the new tab and chat my, then dot Avira, Avira, then dot com. After doing that, click enter and you will be located to my Avira account. You see there? And once you're here, you're able to view all the stores right here in Avira. And there are a lot of packages they're giving. So for example, this package right here, Prime. When you use a Prime, you will get auto-generate security store password, automatically update your program, update your drivers, protect your online accounts, and they also have internal security, which doesn't have here unlimited VPN, and below them doesn't have any of those perks. But when you buy the Prime, it has all the perks. But if you're the kind of guy that knows what you want, like example, you just want to protect it, have a VPN, or maybe you just want a um, auto generate security store password, or you just want to block ads, you can just go down and choose here which one you want. Example, you can just do the system speed up. So what does this do? It does, as you can see right here, get ready for a fast and smoother running PC. So Avira's system speed up cleans your PC, delete junks, and optimize process with automatic repairs cover of all blah 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 blah. And here is the feature. The, Here's the feature of that. And if you want an antivirus only, just you can use this one too. And here are the details for that. And also, if you want the Phantom VPN, sure, you can just view the details if it's in your liking and the features of it. Let's X that. And if you just want a software updater, just choose that. You can just buy it for $22.99. There you go. Here are the features. And if you just want a password manager, details for that is here. The features of your password manager monitors, dark web, and instantly provides you with the information if your personal data is found on an illegal or elected website. So yeah, those are these are the Avira stores and what you can buy. But a little bit of tip from me personally, don't buy any of this. If you are gonna buy any of this, just choose the just choose the antivirus security right here for $6.99 a year. So yeah, and any of this right here, you can do them very manually and very easy. Just if I were you, my tip for you guys, just buy the antivirus security. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.